Good morning, my grade 4 and lovely students. Good morning for you all. I love you and I missed you. Here we are going to have this lesson. It's a reading text. I know I told you before I will skip these three lessons, but I need this lesson to practice reading. We are going to identify some things that will be useful for us in our next years. It's about the solar system. What does it mean solar and what does it mean system? Look at this picture first to understand more and I can explain. Here, solar comes from the sun and system means all the movements of the planets with the sun. Okay? This is our sun. And we have 8 planets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 planets turn around the sun, orbit the sun. Okay, teacher, we don't know their names. So we are going to identify their names and more information about them. Here, the nearer one is Mercury. After this, the second one is Venus. The third one is Earth. The fourth is Mars. The fifth is Jupiter. The sixth is Saturn. The seventh is Uranus or Uranus. The eighth is Neptune. Okay? Okay? Okay. Here, which one is the nearest one? Mercury. And which one is the furthest? Neptune. Okay. So, which one is the smallest planet? Mercury, as we see. And which one is the biggest one? It's Jupiter. These are the planets in our solar system and they all orbit our sun. What does it mean orbit? Means turn around. Okay, teacher. What we call the turn of these planets? It's called a year. One turn of one planet is called a year. So this guides us to the text to read and to get more information about these planets. Here we are going to read the text to get more information. Our solar system has 8 planets. Like we see, the word solar means of the sun, comes from the sun. And all the planets go around and at the center of our solar system the sun. Here in the center, in the middle, is the sun and all turn around. All the planets go around the sun. We say they orbit the sun. Means go around. And each time a planet makes one orbit of the sun, it completes a year. When one of these planets go around and come to this point again, now it completes 1 year. But these years are not all the same. Not all the same. Why, teacher? Because this is near. It will go faster and come to this point faster, so the year will be short. But Neptune is far, teacher. So when it comes go around the sun and come to this point again, it's a long time. So the year will be longer. on Earth, our planet, and the third one, okay? A year is 365 days. Yeah, because we have 12 months, and in each month, 30 or 31 days. All comes 365 days. But the planet that is furthest from the sun takes 60,000 Earth days. Oh, 60,365 days? Yes. That means what, teacher? Means to orbit the sun, it can take 165 year of Earth years. So, Earth, so Earth can go 165 times, and this only can turn only one time. Do you imagine? Earth goes 165 times, and the Neptune only can go one time. So the sun is not a planet. So what is it? It's a star. Is there a difference between a planet and a star? Yes. A star is something that gives heat and light. Hot, you feel hot, and you can get light. But a planet is a dark place. Okay? And the planets get their heat and their light from the sun. It's the only star which we can see in the daytime. So now in daytime, the star we can see is only the sun, and the other stars we can see at night. The sun's diameter is distance from one side to the other side. Diameter means when you have a circle like this and you draw a line from here to there or from up to down, this line is called diameter. The diameter of the sun is more than 1 million kilometers. 1 million kilometers. The sun is so big that you could put a million Earth inside it. If you take million Earth here from here and put in the sun, it can be one sun. So one sun only can be million planets of Earth. Many of the planets have a moon. So these planets have moons. This is a smaller object that orbits a planet. What does it mean, a moon? A moon is a small thing than a planet. It's rocky and it goes around each planet. Earth has one moon only, but some planets have more than 50. After we read and understand the text, we should go to apply what we have understood in our workbook on page 102. Are you ready? Let's go. Here, task number 1, write the names of the planets. As we studied the names of the planets, the first one is called Mercury. The second is called Venus. The third, our one, is Earth. The fourth is Mars. The fifth and the biggest is Jupiter. And the what? Sixth is Saturn. Here is Uranus or Uranus. And this one is Neptune, the last and the furthest one. Neptune. Okay? Here we are going to read these sentences to finish what is missing according to the text we read before in our student's book. There are how many planets in our solar system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. The name of the biggest star. Biggest star is the sun. In the distance, throw a planet or a star from one side to the other side. From one side to the other side is called diameter. The line from one side to other side is diameter. When the planets go around the sun, we say that they orbit. Orbit means go around. It takes Earth how many days to go around the sun? 365 days. And the smaller things that orbit the planets are called, here planets has moons. Yes? Yes or no? Like Earth. So goes around. So these small things are called moons. Okay? Now here we are going to match these halves into the other halves to complete full sentences. Here, the sun is in the middle of the solar system. A year is the time it takes what to turn around, صح? Yes or no? To what? It takes a planet to orbit or turn around the sun. So here's number 2. The length of a year. The length of a year. What does it mean, a year? It's what? It's what? It cannot be the same from one planet to other, so it's different on all planets, because the near one takes short time and the far one is the furthest one is what? Longer. So here is 3. The only star we can see during the daytime. So during the day is the sun. The sun is more than, we said that million Earth can make one sun. So a million times bigger than Earth. Some planets have moons that go around them. Okay? Here is a task you should finish alone. I want to discuss your skill of reading. You will read this alone and you will find the questions for these answers through it. Then you can write names of the 3 moons here after reading this. Okay? This is homework. Here we can do it. We can put the dialogue in order, then listen and check. We are going to read this to make the story in order. We are going to read all these, okay? senses, and we can understand first to complete a full story. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? You can do it with me. Okay? Let's start. Hi, go. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm collecting rocks. It's my hobby. Intergalactic rock collecting. What about you? Have you got a hobby? Hello, do you speak my language? I am Jacques. 45 languages. That's great. I am Mary Franklin. What's your name? That would be great. I'd love to. I am 12, Jacques. Tell me, what are you doing here on Earth? Yes, I do. I can understand you. Earth girl, I speak 45 languages. Yes, I collect badges. Would you like to see them? I am 235 years old. How old are you, Mary? Now we are going to start the first line. Here, hello, do you speak my language? So when someone say hello, you should say hello. And do you speak my language? You can answer. What? Yes. So the answer will be yes, I can understand you, because here is speak language, so you can understand the language. And he is alien from other planet, so he says Earth girl, and ask about the language he speak or she speaks. I speak 45 languages. So here is number 2. When they know each other's, what they will ask the other question? Huh? Here the number 45 languages. So he is expressed amazed. 45 languages? That's great. Then he introduced himself here. I am Jacques. So she will say, I am Mary Franklin. And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? So this is 3. When she asks him, what's your name? He should ask, I am Jacques. Give his name. Yes or no? Yes. Now, after he says his name, she will say for him, hi, like he said before, hello. And she will be happy to meet an alien on Earth. So, hi, Doc. Nice to meet you. How old are you? When someone asks you about your age, you will tell him the years of your age. Yes? He is an alien, so he will be not as the same years of us. Yes? He will be more. So I am 235 years old. How old are you, Mary? She will tell him the years of her, the age. She will tell him, I am 12, dog. Tell me, what are you doing here on Earth? So he is going to tell her what she asked about. He wants to do what on Earth? Ha, collecting rocks, because it's my hobby. Okay? Only that? No. Here, intergalactic rock collecting. He wants to get rocks from all planets in our solar system. And he says, what about you? What's your hobby? My hobby is collect rocks. So is collecting rocks. Have you got a hobby? She should answer yes or no. Yes, I collect badges. Would you like to see them? Okay. So he will love this idea. So that would be great. I'd love to. Now we finished our story. We can write here the dialogue here in order down only. That's it. Okay? Okay? Like this, but you can change names and years of age only. Okay, so you will use all questions and all things here down, but you can change the name of the alien from Gouge to another name you want, and you can change the name of the girl, and you can change the number of years of the alien and the number of years of the girl, and you can change the hobby only, giving another thing. Okay, that's all. Okay, my dear. Okay, here let's go there on page 105. Here we are going to write the words in four groups. Four groups. We, as usual, know that task 1 is related to task 2. So here we are going to read here the four groups he is talking about. Colder planets, planets that is cold to live on. Humans in space, people like us in space. Hotter places that planets that is hot to live in. The night sky, the sky when it comes at night. Okay, here we are going to read to finish. Astronaut, here what? Humans in space. Comet, hotter planets. Earth, humans in space. Neptune, colder places. Okay, and comet here is hotter planets. So here in one we are going to read to find Mercury. Mercury is the nearest one to the sun, so it will be a hotter place, a hotter planet. So here Mercury. Moon, so humans in space, something we can write, yes or no? Or the what? Tell me. Night sky. Night sky, yes or no? Yes, here night sky, something appears in the sky at night. So here is moon, I'm sorry. And here what things here are also appeared in night at sky? Stars, yes, or rocket? Stars, yes. Okay, here in number 1, humans in space. Astronaut, yes, yes. And where also we can find the human in space? Huh? In the rocket. Yes, thank you. Where also we can find the humans in space? Space station. Yes, thank you. So here, rocket, we took Mercury, moon, store, space station. Here remained colder places, colder planets, and hotter planets. Earth is near to the sun, so it will be hotter planet. What also? Mercury, the first one. Yes or no? Yes. What also here near to the sun? Saturn, Uranus, Venus, Venus. Okay, so here's Saturn and Uranus or Uranus. Okay, now you understand. Now we are going to number these according to this. Where are colder planets? Group 4. Where are hotter planets? Group 3. Where are humans in space? Group 1. Where are things in night sky? Group 2. Easy now for you to do. Here we are going to color some letters here to find name of a planet. Okay? Are you ready? Do you want to play this game? You can play with me. You can find here Venus, Venu, but no S, so it's not correct. Okay, teacher. Earth, Earth, but no H. Mercury, Mer, but Cu, but no R or Y. Not correct. P, nothing starts with B. Jupiter. Okay, let's try. Ju, P, Ta, R. Yeah, we found it. Ju, P, Ta, R. Okay, here it's Jupiter. With A or with E? With E, teacher. Okay? Now let's color the bricks here from the three groups to make senses. Okay? We will write in the missing words here also. Okay? Okay, my dear? Now the first one. He did the exercise very badly. We are going here to finish what the adverbs. The adverbs. He or she spoke what?